Be honest. How many seconds did you just waste looking for a tool today? Messy drawers slow you down. Let's fix that in minutes. This isn't busy. This is friction. Step 1 feels scary, but it's the fastest win. Yeah, it looks worse for about 10 seconds. Clearing the drawer gives your brain a reset. You can't organize what you can't see. Already feels better, right? Here's where most people mess up. They line tools up by size. Looks nice, works terribly. Instead, group by function: fastening, measuring, cutting, electrical. When your brain says, "I need to tighten something," your hand should already know where to go. Now be honest again. What do you grab every single day? Prime real estate. If you're digging for it, it's in the wrong spot. Less searching, more working. Your drawer should save time, not steal it. An organized drawer isn't just about looking good. It saves time, reduces frustration, and keeps your workflow moving. That's exactly why systems like Tool Grid and Drawer Pro exist. They lock your tools in place, so everything stays exactly where it belongs. Set it once, keep it organized, and work faster every day. Follow Olsa Tools for more shop tips, tool setups, and smarter ways to work.